The 1950 Ford Custom Line Coupe, priced at $2,200, exudes classic charm with its full-size, blue exterior. Despite its fair condition, this project car presents a unique opportunity for enthusiasts. Powered by a small block Chevy engine and equipped with power steering and brakes, it promises a thrilling ride once restored. The odometer reads 50,000 miles, and though it currently doesn't run, the smoking engine issue could be addressed. Speculated to be sitting on a Camaro frame, this Ford Custom Line is a worthy endeavor for restoration aficionados seeking a nostalgic journey into automotive history. With its clean title and automatic transmission, this vintage gem holds the potential to be a standout classic on the road. The 1950 Chrysler Imperial presents a captivating opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. With a fair condition, this sedan boasts a potent 331 Hemi V8 engine that, despite 45 years of hibernation in sunny Southern California, still turns over. The odometer reads a modest 69,001 miles, adding to its allure. The clean title and automatic transmission add practicality. The vintage charm is undeniable, making it a potential gem for restoration. The fact that it was parked for nearly half a century in such a climate raises curiosity about the potential stories hidden beneath its hood. This classic piece of automotive history promises a thrilling journey for those willing to revive its glory. The 1954 Pontiac Chieftain, offered at $2,700 in Kalispell, exudes classic charm with its vintage four-door sedan design and distinctive green paint. Despite its fair condition, the allure lies in its resilient flathead straight-8 engine that still runs smoothly. The broken odometer, though, adds an air of mystery to its mileage history. The automatic transmission ensures ease of driving, contributing to the full-size sedan's appeal. As a classic car enthusiast, I appreciate the nostalgic feel of this Chieftain, showcasing the automotive craftsmanship of its era. The clean title signifies a promising project for restoration, making it a potential gem for enthusiasts seeking a taste of mid-century motoring. This 1951 Studebaker 2R10 3/4-ton long bed pickup, a barn find priced at $2,500 in Avon, appears to be a promising restoration project for classic car enthusiasts. The vibrant yellow paint gives it a distinctive charm, though its fair condition and the fact that it hasn't been started in a decade raise some challenges. The 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission offer a true vintage driving experience. With a clean title, the potential for revival is intriguing. The odometer reading of 100,000 suggests a rich history. As a classic car professional, diving into the Studebaker promises a journey into automotive nostalgia, with the reward of restoring a piece of automotive history. Happy wrenching. The 1953 Dodge Coronet for DR sedan, priced at $2,800, presents itself as a classic project car with a fair condition. Its 6-cylinder, Rear-wheel drive configuration and manual transmission contribute to its vintage charm. The odometer reads 80,000 miles. While the exterior boasts a clean gray full-size body, it's noted as a project with a cut firewall intended for an LS engine. The interior, featuring white vinyl upholstery, showcases upholstered seats and serape blankets on the doors. The car does not run or drive, but the brakes are reported to be in excellent condition. A removable dash, stored in the back seat, awaits installation. The seller suggests it was destined for a rat rod transformation. With a clean New Mexico title, this classic beckons enthusiasts seeking a nostalgic restoration challenge. Thanks for tuning in to KINGNA. Those classic project cars under $2,000 were a blast. Stay revved up for more in our next episode. Like, comment, and share to keep the automotive excitement rolling. Subscribe for the latest. See you in the next ride.